All right, let's see. I am at Fernbank Park outside of Cincinnati, going to the Rolling on the River car show. Going to do a quick walkthrough, maybe see some cool cars. Let's check it out. All right, so here's some more of the Rolling on the River. I got past the part where there would be copyrighted music, so I'm going to tell you about a little bit of these cars. You know, the 55, 56, 57 Thunderbirds have been really soft in the marketplace lately. So now's a great time to buy one if you're in the market, because they're depressed and I think they'll go back up eventually. Ooh, unrestored stock original 1931 Ford. That's cool. This is a very big car show. Here's a little bug for sale. That's cool. The Cadillac that was based on a Corvette. Pretty cool. Now, I did like these Salines, the S281s. Fairly limited production. Let's see if this one says, yeah, this is number 130. It doesn't say out of how many. That's pretty cool. Crazy paint job on that hot rod there. They really got a little bit of everything, mostly American, obviously. Kind of shoehorned in here. I don't see any real rhyme or reason offhand. Lots of Chevys, lots of Fords, some GMCs like this truck. Now that's kind of cool. Look at it, it's all patinaed up. So then you got a LSXR engine in there. Pretty cool. Quite a few cars here for sale. Nothing I would necessarily want to pursue offhand for RM Sotheby's, but you never know. It's cool, dark blue and gold interior. Big Fairlane's nice. Got some air suspension there, obviously. This big cat, our big Impala. It's a good looking white Trans Am here. Nice.
Oh, how you going?
That's nice. Very nice. Got some British TR6s. Edsel and the Cord. Wow, look at that paint job. Oh, this is nice. This Indy Speedway. Oh, we got some cool cars hidden back here. River straight ahead. Here's a little GT Coupe, 1965. So this is 1964 and a half. They had not come out with the GT package yet, so I think this is just made to look like a GT. It is not a real GT, but it's still super cool, super cute. Corvair Club. Now I like this 442 right here. This 1965. This looks really nice. Got the 8-track.
So when you go up to the REO, you do make it up there. If you look on the wall of people that donate, you'll see it.
A nice GTO. Let's look at this Corvair wagon here. That's cool. Oh, look at the little Crosleys. I think it's so tiny.
No, I don't want Smarties. We have Smarties down here too, but I really have to see it.
They always had two colors. And then
And a CUDA, nice. All right, continuing on here. I'm following the shuttle bus apparently. This is interesting. This little, I think it's a Mercury Capri based on the Ford Mustang Fox body platform. Fabric looks pretty good in this car. It's probably an 85 or 86. Aftermarket wheels, yeah, Mercury Capri. They didn't sell as well because the hatchback isn't as desirable as the regular Ford Mustang. Oh, that's funny. Look at this trunk. Smart. I did not know they made a turbo Trans Am Daytona 500 pace car. Turbo 4.9.
well,
This is kind of cool. This is the one where they had the tonneau cover. I think they were technically called Roadsters, Ford Thunderbird Roadster. Now this is a factory car. That's fairly rare, and it adds quite a bit to the value. Yeah, tonneau cover. Here's that one with the crazy paint job. Ooh, look at this bus back here. Let's check this out. Huh.
Can you, because my phone's turned off, I'm trying to save my battery. Can you go and see what's going on?
Look at this sucker. Wow. That's something. Oh, a lot of legroom in here. Got the huge blower engine. 36 Packard. How about that? Alright, here's another little... Oh, this is a ASC McLaren. So this is another Fox body Mustang. You can see here, ASC McLaren. That was made into more of a luxury version with some little add-ons. Very rare. Took out the back seats apparently. Wood wheel. Not as desirable as some of the other Mustangs like the Cobra and such, but pretty rare. So you don't see these very often. Oh, look at this. Future collectibles, and we have some minivans. I told you this was coming.
I dressed it out. I have.
Auburn Boattail Speedster. I'm going to assume it's not the real one. Yeah, Speedster kit car. But still, a lot of fun. You get all the looks for a tenth of the price. Upset dog. Looks like all in restored here. 1933. Lots of patina. That's an interesting color on that Camaro. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. Special order factory color, Corvette bronze. Huh. Interesting. Same owner, 43 years. This Cadillac is stretched. It's pretty cool though, huh? Love it.
Thank you, man. It's a 4-door made into a 2-door.
Yeah, I've seen this been rolling around town for a while, yeah. It's great. 4-door made into a 2-door. All right. Another future collectible right there. I think we're pretty much through this. I don't see much more down here, so thanks for watching. I'll talk to all of you next week.